This video is a vlog, but I'm gonna be doing a little bit of a voiceover right here. Got some hair by this amazing company called Success by Hair, okay? And I'm gonna be trying a stylist in the Atlanta area. Wish me luck. I also had to dye the hair black. We're gonna be using 2 boxes of the Revlon 10 Black. Why? Because it was the cheapest, okay? And then I got bluest black in the color 22. Hey guys, so today I'm going to get my hair done. I have the bundles washed. I just I just dyed my hair jet black, so it is freshly black. I'm about to go upstairs. She doesn't really want to be on camera or anything, so I'm not gonna vlog any part of this. So I'm nervous because you guys know I'm always nervous when I get my hair done because I do my hair myself. Sorry, I'm speaking so fast. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I trust her. Her work is good. It's amazing. And yeah, we're gonna see what this is about. I have the hair right here and it looked really good. The texture of it looks really amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead, put it in my, wait, let me I want to show it to you guys really quick. Feels good and it looks good. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, it is 12:28. Our appointment is at 12:30. All right. Alright, so I'm getting ready for Kahh to go ahead and do my hair. Just packing a little bag. We bought some makeup and accessories and things at the mall. Alright guys, let's do makeup. I need to figure out how to fold this nose ring. Oh, I'm gonna try it. Ah! Okay, we're not gonna do it. Forget it. We are all done. I need to take some of Kahh's pictures of his makeup stuff because these things are amazing. That setting spray is really good. It's the Charlotte Tilbury, and this looks really good. Feeling smooth. Clean it out?
Plan it out.
Oh, plan it out. I'm gonna do that now.
That's basically what I just did.
Okay. Alright. This looks so fucking good. Okay, let me hurry look on my pajamas on.
Throw this over there in the corner.
It looks so good. Yo, Kahh just hooked up my freaking hair. Like, y'all, this looks so good. I am so happy with my hair. Jeez. You know how long I wanted a bob like this? So amazing. We know he's amazing, but he's amazing. Like, sheesh. Okay, now we're going to a lingerie party. I mean, a silk pajama party. So I managed to find this at H&M. I love it. Let's go ahead. All right, this is it curled. I like it both ways. It's kind of cute.
That's where the real network is gonna happen.
Well, maybe our real networking on Christmas Eve.
Do you want this, William? Do you even want the power and the success that I thought we were working toward?
We keep having the same.
So hot in here. Today, guess what came in the mail? My poll. Actually, it came yesterday, but since I felt cute today after creating content, you know, I'm back now. I was like, let me refilm my intro for my vlog. So excited. If you guys have not been following me on Instagram, I've been updating you guys on my pole journey. I take pole dancing classes. I love it. I am not a stripper. I love the strip club, but I'm not a stripper. So I just kind of do it for fun and for fitness, and I love it, and it unleashes my inner sexy that I didn't even know that I had, or if I had it, I lost it. So I love it. I always encourage everyone. I've gotten so much people to sign up for classes because I just think it's such an amazing thing for anybody to try. Even if you're not amazing on the pole, find a studio near you that does like sexy slow dancing, and just find your sexy back. It doesn't matter what age you are. I ordered a pole. Fifth is a black owned company, so I was like, ooh, and she got a lot of good reviews, and her videos and her Instagram are so motivating. Alright guys, so I've gotten this far, right? I still have to find the beam in the ceiling so that I don't do any damage to the ceiling, but now I'm wondering if my ceilings are too short. I don't know. If this might actually fit perfect in my bedroom, so I might have to put it there. But yeah, so this is really the top part of the pole. This has to go up there once I find the joist or the beam or whatever it's called in the ceiling, but there's not much space between the ceiling and this, so I'm not really sure how this is supposed to go. All right, drink your water. Are you okay? Hey guys, today is Thursday. I have a lot of things to do today. Well, not really, but I do. But first things first is I need to do my hair. I just washed it once again this week. I'm doing a video with EAP Heat, one of the most amazing flat irons that I've ever used. I'm also a little hungover from yesterday. I was trying to put that pole together, and then it made me drink wine, and now I'm a little out of it. I just have a headache. So I just took some Advil, drinking coffee, and then I'm gonna go do my hair. Also today, I'm going to I think it's like a Kanye concert, you know? Deja invited me, and although I'm not a concert gal, I decided, sure, why not? Life is too short. Let's have fun. Let's do this. Let's do it up. You know what I'm saying? Oh, my stomach. So I just started off by washing some dishes today because, child, look at my little teeth. Anyways, I'm drinking my coffee, and then I can never have one drink at one time. I will always have 2 drinks at one time. Sometimes you want hot, sometimes you want cold. Sometimes you want sweet, sometimes you want dry. It's the Libra in me. Zoe! I'm over here trying to do my makeup for this video that I have to record. Guys, my office is a hot ass mess. Like, look at this. Whatever, I'm gonna clean it and fix it one of these days. I'm over here just doing my makeup and watching Girlfriends on my computer screen because my TV is not in here yet. Girlfriends, of course, a classic, never gets old. So I just finished one video. Oh my god, all these damn steps, bro. Like I don't know if I'll ever get used to this. I figured while my hair is straight, I should probably take a picture like this because I really do like it. I really do like my hair straight, and I actually think this might be a whole entire look and vibe for the party later. I also want to take a picture so I can show, like, tell people on Instagram like my house tour is up. So I'm gonna take one right here in the kitchen, but it sucks because I have to curl my hair for a video after I just straightened it. But my camera that I want to use is dead, so I need that to charge up for a little bit before I even get started. So I'm gonna just curl my hair and then re-straighten it again in time for us to go to the concert. So this is what I got on. I got my periods, my panty underneath is like giving me like a little like cut right there. Who the hell told me to get a place with 3 levels of stairs? It is so draining. Y'all, I don't know how my phone shattered. Do you see that? Let me go ahead and get started on this video with curling my hair. So it's 3:08. I'm gonna try to be done by 4 o'clock so that I can go back to straightening it again. All right, this is it curled. I like it both ways. It's kind of cute.
Deja, have your makeup vlogging, Deja?
You have your mobile ticket ready?
Are we vlogging? Vlogging.
Say hi, y'all.
Have it back.
Okay, so we're walking in now. It's crowded, but not as crowded. We had to wear our mask in the Ubers. But we here, we good. Alright guys, so this is basically what I'm wearing. I'm wearing these shoes, but I'm wearing these shoes to the car. So yeah, and it's like gold accents in the back. And then I have this like huge clutch that I'm gonna just bring. I can hold it like this. Yeah. I'm going down to the city to actually meet up with my girlfriend Amanda. Met her on the Dubai trip, so she's in Atlanta for the weekend. We're going to La Colonial or Lake Colonial. It's been on my list for a while, so I thought that would be a cute place. And honestly, everywhere else was kind of booked out, but this has been on my list for quite some time, so I'm kind of excited to be going. And I heard the lychee martinis is to die for, and that's one of my favorites. So light screen BRB. Lake Colonial, yeah, shop's a buckhead. Okay, and I'm waiting for Amanda. She should be here any second. I'm gonna go upstairs now. Guys, look who's here. Amanda just showed up.
I could not come to Atlanta and not see my girl.
I know.
We had so much fun in Dubai.
Yes.
So I'm like, I have to do some brunch with her. So that's what we're doing.
Yes, yes. Please get a camera. Guys, tell her to start her YouTube channel. Please. I need to do it. I really do. I need to do it. I'm gonna do it, y'all. I'm gonna do it. Look, I'm gonna do it.
Yes.
Okay. Hold me accountable since I need it.
Yes, I
need it.
will. I'm like, hey, did you post your thing yet? So you got ceviche, shrimp ceviche.
Yes, and then chicken dumplings,
Chicken dumplings.
lychee martini.
Ow. And then I got shrimp stir fry with shrimp ceviche. I copied her. So we gonna eat. So guys, this stir fry is so good. And so it's a lychee martini. She didn't try her food yet. I made
I'm
it.
gonna try it right now. That's good. It's fresh.
Ooh. Alright, let me try mine. Try it. It's good, right?